Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of no, it's not Wednesday. It's actually Thursday, and I've told you Thursday, July the 8th, 2021, with only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. I have solved this few seconds ago, and I will continue with the rest of the puzzles of yesterday's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, July the 7th, 2021. I have three puzzles left: Letter Sudoku, two-star Sudoku, and a tectonic with one star. Yes. First, we will solve this letter Sudoku, and this will be a number 3066. All right. There are 27 printed letters. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right. And those are the letters: the R, the H, the G, the E, the C, the L, the T, the B, and the U. All right. So let's get started. And the goal is to find this word. Yeah. All right. Those three missing lemmas are the missing letters are the G, the U, and the L. And look, we have a U and a L here in this row. So no U and a L in this box. The U and the L goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one letter missing in this column for the letter G. So we have a G in this row, G in the middle row, so the row below. The only two places for the G should be here or there. We see there G, no G there, G should be here. Alright. Alright. So we have an E in this first column, E in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the E should be here or there. We see there the no E there, E should be here. We have a B in the last column, B in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the B should be here or there. We see there B, no B there, B should be here. Alright. In this big square, four missing letters. Two of those missing letters are the E and the R. We have an E and R in this column, so no E and R in these two boxes. The E and the R goes in those two boxes as a pair, E and R. We see here an R, no R there, R should be here, and the E goes there. Okay, two boxes left in this big square. For the letters, the B, zoom, B, and the U. We have a B here, no B there, B should be here, and the U goes there. Alright. Yeah. Alright, the G in this row, G in the last row. So the row between, the only two places for the G should be here or there. We see there G, no G there, G should be here. G in the first column, G in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the G should be here. G in the first row, G in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the G should be here or there. We see there G, no G there, G should be here. And all the G's are used. I can see. Yes. All right. All right. See. Yeah. In this big square, 4 missing letters. One of the missing letters is an H. We see an H, no H. In these two boxes. So the H could be here, could be there. So we have an H in one of those two boxes. In this column, H in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the H should be here or there. We see there an H, no H there. H should be here. H in the first row, H in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the H should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an H. We see an H, no H in these two boxes. There an H, no H in those two boxes. So one box left for the H should be here. I've marked those two boxes with the H. Now we have an H there, so this box can't be H anymore. That box should be an H. H in the third column, H in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the H should be here or there. We see there an H, no H there, H should be here. H in this row, H in the row below. So in the last row, the only three places for the H should be here, here, or there. We see there an H, no H there, here an H, no H there. The only place for the H should be there. And all the H are used. I can see. Yes, the H. All right. Then. How about okay. B in this row. B in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the B should be here or there. We see here B, no B there, B should be there. B in this first column, B in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the B should be there. Yeah. B in this column, B in the middle column. So in the column B next, the only two places for the B should be here or there. We see there B and no B there, B should be there. And all the B's are used. I can see the bees. Zoom, 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 zoom. Yes. All right. Let me see. Yeah. Two letters. UL, the C and the T. The C and the T. Okay. How about the UCT? CT. Let me see. Not easy yet. One letter is missing in this column, the third column, for the letter T, I believe. Yes, the T is missing. Two letters are missing in this big square for the letters C and T. C and T, we see here T, no T there. T should be here, and the C goes there. All right. T. C L C L R. The R and R and R and T. R T. Okay. U L R. I need the R. Okay, come on. It's taking too long. UL. H. Come on. Yeah. One letter is missing in this column. The T is missing here. T. Alright. So the L is missing here. The U is missing here in this column. L, U, C. Yeah, the C. L, U, and the C. 3 missing letters in this big square. The L is missing. The U is missing. And the C is missing. We see here L and the U here, so no L and the U in this box. The L and the U goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, UL. So 1 letter is missing in this big square for the number for the letter C. Okay. UL. 2 letters are missing in this big square. The letters T and the T and the R. We see here T, no T there. T should be here and the R should be there. So we have a T in this column, 3rd column, T in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, the only place for the T should be here. 1 letter is missing in the 1st column for the letter L. Alright. 2 letters are missing in this big square for the letter C and R. We have a R there, no R there. R should be here and the C goes there. Alright. 2 letters are missing in this big square for the letters U and L. We have a L there, no L there. L should be here and the U goes there. How about those 2 letters in the last row for the letter C and C and R. C and R. C and R. Yeah, C and R. 2 letters are missing in this row for the letters L and U. No. We have a U here. L and the E are missing. L and the E. L and the E. 2 missing letters in this big square, the T and the U. TU, yeah, TU. How about those 2 letters in this row for the letters T and the C? Yeah, T and C. TC. Now we have an L there, so this box cannot be an L anymore. That box should be an L. This box should be an U. 1 letter is missing in this row for the letter R. Yeah, the R is missing. Now we have a letter R here, so this box cannot be an R anymore. That box should be an R, and this box should be a C. Then how about 2U, 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 E. The E is missing here, the E. Yeah. One of the missing letter in this column, in the last column, is the letter E. Well, we see here an E, no E there. There an E, no E there. The only place for the E should be there. Okay, one letter is missing in this row, the middle row for the letter U. Now we have a U there, so this box cannot be a U anymore. That box should be a U, and this box should be a T. One letter is missing in the last column for the letter T. Now we have a T there, so this box cannot be T anymore. That box should be a T, and this box should be a C. Then two letters are missing in the first row. Oh, we have already solved the middle column, the word berglucht. Yes. And berglucht, if you translate it from Dutch to English, or from English to Dutch. Now, this is a Dutch word for mountain air. Yeah, the air in the mountain. Yes. All right, two letters are missing in the first row for the letters E and the R. The E and the R. ER. We have a R there, so no R there. R should be here, and the E goes there. No, we have a E there, so this box cannot be E anymore. That box should be an E, and this box should be an L. L in this column, L in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the L should be here. Now we have an L there, so this box can't be L anymore. That box should be an L, and this box should be an U. And the final two letters in this big square for the letters U and C. U and C. We have a U there, no U there. U should be here, and the C goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right, great. A letter Sudoku, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku I will solve. See you then. Bye bye for now.